Today I'm going to show you how to get ChatGPT to roast your Instagram in a fun, funny, and completely customizable way. This is a super easy trick if you want a playful reality check on your profile, your bio, or your overall vibe without spending a dime. Whether you want a savage roast, a light friendly roast, or something in between, ChatGPT can help you turn your Instagram into a hilarious conversation starter. If you enjoy simple AI tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or on your phone. Once you're in, you're going to upload a screenshot of your Instagram bio. You can also upload a screenshot of your profile page if you want ChatGPT to roast more than just the bio. Make sure the text is clear and easy to read so the AI can understand the details properly. After the screenshot is uploaded, go to the message box and type your prompt. A simple prompt that works really well is, roast my Instagram profile in a funny way. That tells ChatGPT exactly what you want, and it gives you a playful roast instead of a boring summary. If you want the response to be more intense, you can customize the tone by adding, make it savage. If you want something more gentle and entertaining, say, make it light and friendly. You can even combine the instructions like, roast my Instagram profile in a funny way, but keep it light and friendly, or make it savage if needed. The more specific you are, the better the result usually is. Once you send the prompt, ChatGPT will analyze your profile screenshot and generate a roast based on the content it sees. This could include your bio, your profile picture style, your username, your captions, or the overall vibe your Instagram gives off. If you like the first response, great. If not, you can refine it by asking for a more savage version, a funnier version, or a roast that feels more playful and less harsh. You can also ask follow-up prompts like, make it shorter, make it more creative, or make it sound like a Gen Z friend is roasting me. That's the best part about using ChatGPT for this. You can keep adjusting it until the roast feels exactly right. This works great for content creators, friends, or anyone who wants a hilarious social media checkup. Just remember, the goal is to keep it fun. So if you're roasting your own profile or your friends' profiles, keep it lighthearted and make sure everyone is comfortable with it. And that's it. Now you know how to get ChatGPT to roast your Instagram in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more AI tips, social media tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.